Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. It is amazing, guys. I want to say, first thing I want to say to you, my fans and to my friends and to every one of you guys, that I want to say thank God for bringing me through 2016. You know what I mean? I want to say 2016 was a blessing and was a prosperity and everything was good. I wanted to say thank God for 2016, which He brought me through. Now we are going into 2017. We're going to be in 2017. I want to say happy New Year to all of my fans. And I want to say love from Chef Ricardo on the team. We say happy New Year, guys. And I want to say 2017 is going to be a blessed year. It's going to be a loving year. It's going to be a prosperity year. 2017 gonna be the year for many of us which didn't make it in 2016. But I don't want to say, if you're doing anything, guys, please don't give up. Keep the faith, keep pushing it, and keep fighting it. It's gonna be a blessing and prosperity for 2017 for all of my fans and all of my new subscribers. Guys, we're gonna see some new videos, we're gonna see some new stuff, we're gonna love it, and I know you guys gonna be happy in 2017. It's us, I just say it goes on and on and on. One thing I want to say again, welcome back, and I want to say happy New Year to all of you guys. One love from Chef Ricardo on the team. And next thing I want to say, guys, please, 2017, I want you to tell me what you want me to make for you. What do you want me to make for you? It's gonna be love, joy, happiness, new recipe, new ideas, and I know you guys are gonna love it. So basically I want to say, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, Google+, and remember, we are coming out with the new brand cookbook for 2017, guys. It is gonna be amazing in 2017. I want to say one more time, happy, but this year gonna be one of the best year for you guys. One love again from Chef Ricardo on the team, and I'm saying I have that joy and that happiness in my heart that 2017 gonna be a brilliant year, and it's gonna be a blessed year, gonna be a nice year and a prosperity for enough of we who didn't make it in 2016. So guys, one love from Chef Ricardo on the team, and I want to say God bless you with love and happiness in 2017. Happy New Year again from Chef Ricardo and the team, and see you next time. Bye bye.